Hi, and welcome to Hays Thrive. In this short video, we'll show you how to access your new learning management system, add learners, your staff, to your portal, find and enrol users into training, and how to create your own content. Let's get you started. First, you will have received an email from our training provider, Go1. Click on the link in the email, and that will take you to your registration page. When logging in for the first time, you'll be asked to create a password. When you've completed this, you'll be able to log in and access your portal. After signing in once, either bookmark this login page or you can log in via the Hays Thrive website. Let's check out the courses. On the welcome page, you will see the awards or collections of assigned learning available to you. Click here in the banner image at the top, and that will take you to all of the training awards. Click on the award of interest, such as Remote Professional Excellence, to see all of the relevant courses to that award. Alternatively, select Explore at the top of the menu bar to see a full range of learning available. The first key step is getting your learners into your portal. Click on your initials in the top right corner of the portal. Select Administer in the drop-down menu. Then select Users. Click on the three dots and select Import. An Upload File dialog will appear. Click here to download a sample CSV file. An important note when uploading your CSV file of users is to make sure you have email, first name and last name in 3 different columns, as well as these other columns. Status, value must equal 1 for all users, and group, the value must be empty. Once you've imported your new learners, you'll want to share training. You can do this by going into the awards. Click Reports. Click Enroll Users. And there you have the choice to enroll individuals or groups of users. For more information on best practices for sharing training for maximum engagement, check out our How-To Best Practices video. Your Hays Thrive Learning Management System is your full training solution. See management information and reporting via the Enrolments tab in your Administer view. Upload your own training or content by clicking on the My Teaching tab in the top navigation. Or access our vast library of thousands of courses. If you're interested in any more training, have any further questions, or need any further support, either email us or once in your Hays Thrive dashboard, click on the Support Chat function to talk to any of our customer success team. That's it. Help your team thrive anywhere, anytime. You can assign training and track completions. The platform is mobile optimized with interactive media formats for engaged online learning. Hays Thrive, helping your staff thrive in this new world of work.